It looks like we might be in the clear for the surgery on Friday to take out the cancer in his right kidney. Sleeping in the car. So if you guys don't know, my son's got cancer. He's been on chemo for I think about 5 or 6 weeks now.
Or short, you should just go through whatever.
Yeah, you can.
We do not accept defeat. Here you go, 1K. Papa! Papa! Rap, 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 rap. It's a warm. Was. You know, baby. You know. Need to get myself one of those, that's for sure. Shit. One hand. And then you.
Happening?
Hi, brother.
Hey, you are?
I'm always good. And you?
It's good. We're getting on.
Is what?
Quality is
Are we racing the R1?
we can, bro. I can take anyone any day.
Oh no! You guys like I don't have petrol. Maybe it's an excuse,
I'll give you some of mine. Just, and then I'll chop you.
Yo! Tabe one round ngara kita busa morago ka re anong se ko offeriwa ile ke a o manyiwa. It's common, it's this side and that side. Ah, nak sa ijang ke sa yanya. We do not accept defeat. Do not accept defeat. This guy can really. You see when you can do this? You see what your mongrel bikes are doing? You see what your mongrel bikes are doing? You're making the Aras cry now. That mongrel is making a beautiful pony. Here we go.
Just a little.
Rap. You know, baby! Hey, where's that? Who pulled who? Atch. Buffon. Willy machine. Pause. What is it? Alright. Mara kinalumasi pa yun. Mara kinalumasi pa yun. Here, go 1K. Papa! That's alive, baby. Papa! Ah, you're bona. I bona. Ah, nalo mawaza wa. Papa. Bafana. Hello, Mawazaki. Bafana. Yes, boy. I am. Hi, Gisham. Hi, Luna. Luna, my biker. The rato to it in your Luna. No. Let's see the Luna. Now, this is going to be a movie.
But they don't shut up and go down. Fuck the Benz, come on. Alright. Fuck the Benz with the chop, let the ghost ride. Y'all can't do that shit cause it started that. Bitch,
This one, Cape, baby. CVO.
I know we no move.
Cruise though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a
Bafana! Bafana! Serious? Fun. Oh. Bafana. Bafana. Take it easy. Sharp punch. Away. Oh! Hey! Bafan! That's the only reason why we do this, baby. For people like this. If you ever thought to yourself what's pushing me and motivating me to do what I do, this is why. Mba. Mba. Yay. You locking the sisters inside. Yeah? This is the Monday. So they changed his antibiotics. He was still relapsing. During the day today he had a heating issue where his fever just suddenly picked up. What do I mean his fever suddenly picked up? He had a fever and his temperature was super high, so they changed his antibiotics and made some adjustments and stuff. So he seems to be okay now since that time till now. We'll see tomorrow morning. So yeah, this is me. But now I need to now start thinking of ways on how I can increase and multiply the amount of content I'm producing now whilst being here. Stay tuned. Day 3 of me now sleeping in the car because I can't sleep in the hospital. They don't allow that, and I don't have enough money to hire Airbnb or a hotel or whatever. And I've got a friend that doesn't stay too far from here, but he's not around, so can't even sleep at his house. So yeah, this is me in the car. And yeah, my lighty was slightly better today, but his fever kept spiking. He was shaking and shivering like in the morning after his nap. Yeah, that really took a toll on my heart. And it's really painful, but he seems to be getting better. They changed his antibiotics and it looks like we might be in the clear for the surgery on Friday to take out the cancer in his right kidney. And then after that, then I honestly believe that we'll be in the green. So yeah, hit you with the vlog tomorrow. So let me get into bed. At least it's raining today. So chances of me being able to sleep quicker they are much higher as compared to the other days. The other days were really hard to really fall asleep. I was falling asleep around like 1 a.m. and I'm talking about in the car. And then I'm like up at like 4:30. That's usually my times of sleeping, but you know, when I'm at home, it's a bit easier to sleep and then sleep for like those 4 hours or 3 hours. But here, it's actually a fight to get my mind to rest and calm down and then sleep. There's always a risk that you run of somebody just breaking into the car and taking all your, because they can probably see you inside. But luckily, I'm strapped anyway, so oh, that's good. So, oh hi, by the way. I feel like crying, but I'm not the kind of man that cries. I could have tears run down my face, but I won't be crying. I'm sure y'all could be wondering, why am I doing these vlogs and showing this to the world? I just want to show majority of the young lighties that listen to my content of what a real man should do and has the capabilities of doing, especially within a family that he has, you know, created himself. It's really important that young men really step up and become like real big strong men, you know, because I got a lot of young lighties that follow me and they ask me about life advice and stuff like that. So I don't want to put cap on anything that I do or say, so I'd rather show you guys. So this is one of the main reasons why I'm doing this. I could have just kept it private to myself and just took like a 2-week break from making content and working and doing everything else, but that's not number one. That's not number one. Okay, boy. Hey, what's again? I'm a peasant father, Mara. Hey, I'm a kaka. You are changing happy, ne? Okay, the chincha. I did a good job, right? This is day 4 of me being at the hospital. So if you guys don't know, my son's got cancer. So he's been on chemo for I think about 5 or 6 weeks now. So now this week they were supposed to plan him, and I'm talking about this week. This past Friday they were supposed to plan him for surgery to take out the kidney that had cancer, because he got cancer in his kidney. But then ended up finding out on Wednesday, Thursday he started getting sick, a whole lot of flu. Then they said, no, let's just admit him and then get his condition solid first before they go on with the surgery. So they postponed the surgery from Friday to Monday. Today's Sunday and he's not better. So they had postponed the surgery again from Monday to a later time of the week, where they have to actually monitor him and get him stable first before they can start doing surgery on him. So I've been at the hospital now since Thursday. This is my 3rd day or 2nd day me sleeping in the car, because unfortunately with the back and forths, it costs a whole lot of it with petrol. And unfortunately right now I just need all the money that I have currently. So I cannot really afford to be going to an Airbnb or a hotel or something. So as you can see, I got nice little blankets. I got my pillow in the car, sleep in the car, wake up 5:30. Yeah, make it happen, baby. You know, I've experienced a lot of pain in my life. I mean, we've been crashed, I've been stabbed, I've been beat up, I've had a lot of fights and stuff like that. But you know, there's nothing more painful than having your child like super sick. And my light is only like a year and 10 months. So he can't even talk, you know. So not knowing his pain 100% is the real painful part. I'm not going to make this about me. I mean, this thing is hitting us all, especially in the family, especially with his mother. It's hitting him, it's hitting her, I think, the most. But with me, especially, just making it about the financial upside, just making sure that he's sorted out financially, shit like that. I think that's number 1 priority for me. So y'all better expect way more content, much deeper, much more engaging content, and with other ventures that I've got going on in my life, I'm probably gonna scrutinize those more and try to extract as much as I can out of them. Yeah, so if there's any other suggestions that you guys might have for me on what I could do content wise to make my content way more engaging, let me know. But this is basically my bed for the next couple of weeks, I think. Well, until he's shot, because I think they're only going to start surgery on him maybe sometime during the week. So today is Sunday, the 17th, I think, or something like that, of November. So yeah, I'm probably going to be posting up like this for the next couple of days, because I said going up and down is going up and down to my house, because I stay about an hour away from here. It gets really costly really quick. So I'd rather save that financial up. I'd rather save those financials for when they need it for whatever else, rather than me using it with traveling up and down on gas and stuff like that. So me going through pain and going through things like this, that's nothing, you feel me? But I think the number one thing is just to make sure that your family is sorted. And that's the true meaning for me, what it is to be a man. Because even with my father, it was exactly the same. So I don't see a difference with me just doing the exact same for Malaiti. And I definitely know for him, he'll definitely do the same for his kids the day he has a family, you feel me? So that's what's up. So let me... Bon appetit and good night. Wait, bon appetit is used for food, not for cuddles. But yeah. So even now, I've noticed like a few people in my life have kind of like dumbed down and not really talking to me as much since all this whole thing started. Listen, it's alright. I completely understand. We all have different meanings and we all have different things planned out for our lives. And I'm not gonna force or stand in anybody's way to be an active part in my life, especially when things get bad like this. You understand? And a lot of people just need to take this with as much and as hard and as far as possible. Listen, things need to get way worse before they start getting better. You understand? Exactly. So I'm still gonna pray. I know Masalite has a whole lot of people in his prayers praying for him, but like really things are really bad. He can't even eat. Every time he gets something done, he vomits. He constantly has fever spikes. He's constantly rubbing his stomach majority of the day. The doctors aren't 100% sure what's causing it, and the antibiotics is and oh, so I feel for him more than anything else right now, you know. So he's actually the only thing, if not the only person on my mind right now, even though I know there's got a lot of people concerned, but yeah, he's priority. But anyway, thanks to everybody who tried to support me, who's been supporting me, and thanks to everybody who's got him in his prayers. Believe me, he needs it, you know, even though he doesn't know you guys, but he needs it. The day he's well and back on his feet and 100%, listen, I'll make sure that he brings a flower to every single one of y'all, because right now his condition is really crazy. Right now, usually towards the evening, he gets super sick, but in the morning, like 3 hours in the morning, he's sharp, running around, laughing. As soon as like 10-11 a.m. hits, it starts going down. So yeah, peace. Rough morning. Oh, hi, by the way. This is the morning of Monday, I think. Yeah, that's actually insane. I didn't know that Albertine had so many bonies. Last night and this morning, all I kept hearing was just bonies going up and down, up and down, up and down. I was like, hey, this is insane. Just got to the board. Yeah. What's up? Huskies.